Hey guys, now look at this coffee table that I've been doing. You won't believe your eyes now. This is the coffee table. I've still got a little bit more to do on it there. And you can see there's a lid on it. You see the lid, folks? And all the stuff inside. Let me just undo these latches. I've got a drawer down here for the trains to fit in. And the extra carriages. We undo that. And then we undo this side. Like this. And then we lift it up. Okay, so this is how we are now so far. The detail has gone really in it. We've got the streets are in, and if you look closely, for sale there. The backyards are in. And there you go, there's the chippy. Everyone needs a good chippy. Here's the train station. Go over the rooftop of the train station. There's the pub. The Queen Vic. And if I tilt the camera a little bit, imagine it's a drone and you're flying over a little town. It's like that. There's the forecourt down there. Still got a lot more to do yet. And then if you get a bit closer in, somehow, hold on. There you go. There's a little guy there drinking a bottle of beer outside. And near the Ford Cortina, you've got a guy sat down drinking a bottle of beer with his mates telling him to sort of get up. Okay, down here we got the bakers, and on the other side we got the butchers at the end of the street. There's the depot, bus depot, bicycle outside there, the green bicycle, a couple of buses, a siding, old broken down fence. Some people waiting there at the station. A little vending machine. And this bit gets really woody. Just look at all the old forestry stuff there. You can see all that. Let's take another view on it. There it is there. Street lamps are in place as well. I'm trying to get different perspective views on it so you can see what it looks like, guys. Like I say, more people are going to come and more train stuff are going to come on, and also we're going to have more cars, and then I'm going to really show you a magic little trick. So I'm going to pan out now as if I'm flying away. Away. If you hear some background noise, it's like we've got a hurricane or something outside. It's dead windy. There you go. That's what you get there. You see that, guys? So don't forget to subscribe, and I've got some more cool videos coming shortly.